Number 1. How virtual desire is destroying real relationships. Have you ever noticed how your partner's eyes light up at a phone notification? That same spark used to be reserved for you. Now, it seems their attention is split between you and that glowing screen. This isn't just about social media overuse. It's a deeper issue eroding relationships from within. Take Tom and Sarah. They once spent evenings cuddled up, sharing their day's stories. Lately, Tom's been distant, always on his phone. When Sarah tries to talk, his responses are short and distracted. She feels a gnawing emptiness, recalling times when a shared glance held more meaning than any text message. What Sarah doesn't know is that Tom's spending hours on OnlyFans, forming what he believes are meaningful connections with creators. It starts innocently, a few likes, a comment. Soon, Tom's opening up to these virtual strangers in ways he hasn't with Sarah in years. This is micro-cheating, small actions that chip away at trust and intimacy. It's like slowly leaking air from a tire. The relationship still moves, but something vital is escaping. When Tom shares his fears with an OnlyFans creator instead of his wife, he's unknowingly creating a rift in his marriage. But these online relationships aren't real. They're carefully crafted illusions. As Robert Weiss, a certified sex addiction specialist, says, "If you're hungry and you go to the 7-Eleven, you buy a whole bag of chocolate bars and chips, is that going to fill you up? Over time, are you going to get what you need? No, of course not." Tom's trying to fill an emotional void with digital junk food, leaving him more isolated than ever. Think about it. When was the last time you had a deep conversation with your partner without checking your phone? For many couples, those moments are rare. The constant availability of digital distractions makes it harder to be present with those right in front of us. OnlyFans and similar platforms are rewiring our brains, associating emotional fulfillment with digital encounters rather than real-life partners. This neural shift subtly erodes our ability to navigate face-to-face intimacy. Tom might find himself struggling to open up in person, further isolating himself from those who truly care about him. It's clear that OnlyFans is altering how we experience love and connection, but real relationships offer a depth that no virtual alternative can match. Consider talking with your partner about digital boundaries. It might feel awkward, but these discussions can rebuild trust. By addressing feelings of loneliness or unmet needs, you're opening the door to deeper understanding. Remember, many couples have successfully worked through OnlyFans-related issues, leading to improved communication and stronger bonds. Why not take that first step towards real intimacy and emotional fulfillment? Your relationship might just thank you for it. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and continue thinking better every day.